Right, so next up, the Police Academy. This is super easy to find as it's marked on the map. All you need to do is zoom into the far east over here, G3, and you'll see the Police Academy logo. It's very simple to get there, but there is a quick note I need to tell you about the doors. There are many ways in and many ways out, probably about 4 or so of them, so if you have a key with 3 uses, then more than likely, you'll use all of the uses on your key, plus need 1 more if you don't know what you're doing. So having a closer look at this, there's a door on the bottom left over here, bottom right, and on the middle floor as well. Where you should start is this middle floor, right up here, instead of the bottom floor. When you do so, you'll be able to move around pretty much freely inside here. Just make sure you try and open as many doors from the inside rather than the outside first. That way, when it comes to getting it downstairs, at least you don't waste any key uses. So anyways, that's about it for this super quick video. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Technobear for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!